Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay and your girl is back. I've been in hiatus. It's been a lot going on. However, we're going to go ahead and get into this video with Bloc Burnaz MC of Atlanta, Georgia, featuring WAKA FLOCKA. Let's ride. Good morning, Shay Gang. It is approximately 7:11 in the morning. It's around that time. It's 7:11 in the morning and your girl is going to Georgia. I know it's been a minute. Your girl has been in school. Yes, and then when I got home, I've been chilling. I've just been enjoying family. I've been enjoying the holidays and I just been chilling for real. So it's okay. We're back now and we are about to go ahead and film this journey to Atlanta with my girls. And it's cold, y'all. It's cold right now. I gotta head down to Fayetteville right now to meet up with the rest of my ladies. But we're gonna go ahead and get this over with. Got my layers on, got my chaps on, and I actually got a pair of workout pants underneath these sweatpants. So we got layers, but I'm so excited to show y'all what I've been working on while I've been away. I've been in the lab, y'all, and I got some stuff. So I'm excited to show y'all. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this Atlanta trip. We're back, we're better, we about to get live. So let's go. Like, am I the only one that be struggling just trying to get this thing through the hook? And then it don't make it any better because I have all these layers on, so I feel like my circulation is getting cut off right now. Like, am I the only one? Y'all, I'm about to have a fit right now. Hold on. I got it. Damn, it took me like 10 minutes just to do that. All right. I'm gone.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Your girl going through it right now. It is cold, cold, cold. It's so cold. Y'all, it was so cold my GoPro started acting up. But let me go ahead and show you these upgrades that I ended up getting while I was kind of in hiatus a little bit since school. So let's go ahead. Y'all see that? My highway bars, custom. Props to my godfather. We ended up trading. He wanted my stock one so he could get lowers. He gave me, all right, I'm coming. And then I got stage one, baby. Got the Reinhardt headers and the pipes. That baby is chopping, y'all. It is chopping. We got the Bluetooth set up. I can't speak because I don't got no microphone, but I can hear them at least. So it's good to have a Bluetooth system, especially on long distance when you're riding with people, just so you can understand or know, like, all right, we need to pull over type thing. It's immediate instead of, you know, pulling up, doing hand signals like, hey, pull over. So it's cool. I just wish I had a microphone so I could hear, or so I can speak, but it's all right. At least I can hear. I don't know if I'm leading or not, but hey, perks, bruh. It's been a long day, but we made it. Your girl is looking rough. I had to take the full face helmet off because it was so I'ma get that. This hotel is nice. I can sleep on this chair right now. Alright, y'all, we on the move. Got to the hotel, had to get ready and stuff. Now we on the move. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Oh, I'm gonna have to take this off. This is not compatible to riding. Alright, y'all. Let's do this.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
I'm just enjoying the moment,
All my
y'all.
fellas. Go.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how you been?
Good, good, good.
Let's go. All my fellas.
Outside, you guys. We all here. We outside. We outside. We outside.
All my fellas. That motherfucker nasty. New street slugger. My feet suckers on the regular mansion and a stolen black act. Integra contract. Take you seconds to the joint. That's when I'm dead in your feet. All my fellas. Let's go. Pose the camera. All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas. Pose the camera. All my fellas.
That's how I knew this place was going to be so packed, because we're literally in traffic, you guys. All this traffic is for the event, but I want y'all to look at this. This cone was in my way. Maybe I cut the turn a little too tight or whatever, but I was about to hit this cone. But thank you, concert, for moving it out my way. The parking lot is literally flooded with people, cars, bikes. Y'all, this is just the parking lot. Wait till we get inside.
DJ Tarzan. We live at the bank. We doing this one time for my brother Rare Breed, Real Talk. Laid up in the hospital right now. He wish he could be here because he fucked with the Bloc Burnaz so hard. He fucked with the whole Atlanta set. These lights are for you, baby. They for you. Tarzan, let's go. Shout out to the Bloc Burnaz, big shout out to the Bloc Burnaz. So they've been doing this for 18 years, that's a very long time. Y'all make some motherfucking noise for the Bloc Burnaz one time. Make some noise for the Bloc Burnaz one time. So I tell you what, without further ado, shout out to my man, Boss Ross, DJ Tarzan, I'm DJ Dirty. We got WAKA FLOCKA fame in the building. The flame is here. WAKA, what's up, baby? Say something to the people.
It was once upon a time, hey boys and girls. Let me stop fucking with y'all. I'm drunk as a motherfucker, man. Man, shout out to y'all, man. I did this shit because I know in our community, man, the Vikings is the backbone of our shit, man. Y'all the definition of fucking real. Y'all the definition of keeping your mouth closed. Y'all the definition of family, brotherhood, sisterhood, how to stick it out, how to duke it out, how to stay together. I'm just showing my appreciation, man. It's gratitude, man. Thank God I'm here to fucking perform. Let's go, DJ. Just to get my stats up. Now
All right, y'all, last night was dope. Bloc Burnaz, Atlanta, Georgia, definitely did their thing. It was packed. A lot of people showed out. It was packed to the point where there was traffic, y'all. Crazy. But they did their thing. And WAKA did his thing as well. He was lit. You know, it's been a minute since he came out with some music, but he really, you know, shut the show. He shut the show down for sure. So I'm packing up. I'm the only one out here trying to get some things ready, things and things ready. It's supposed to be raining today. I'm not looking forward to it, so I'm just trying to get this stuff packed up so we can head out as soon as possible so we can just make it home and maybe hit a little tiny bit of rain if we have to. But that's what that is. But yeah, y'all, I'll chat with y'all later. If y'all haven't, please comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the bell button so y'all can get some notifications.